One of the defining characteristics of X is its incredibly diverse user base. You'll find individuals with every imaginable interest, from the latest tech innovations and artistic expressions to passionate sports fans and news junkies. This vastness presents both a challenge and a significant opportunity. How do you navigate this sea of users to find your people, the ones who are most likely to engage with your content and become a valuable part of your community? The key to connecting with your engaged audience on X lies in understanding that while the overall platform is broad, users tend to form communities around specific topics. Your goal is to identify and actively participate within these relevant digital neighborhoods. This starts with consistently sharing content that directly speaks to the interests of your target audience, providing value and fostering connection. To further cultivate this engaged following, remember that X is a social platform. Go beyond simply broadcasting your message. Actively listen to the conversations within your niche. Respond thoughtfully to comments and participate in relevant discussions using targeted hashtags. Additionally, explore X's advertising capabilities, which allow you to target users based on specific interests and behaviors, amplifying your reach to those most likely to connect with your brand. By consistently providing valuable content and actively engaging within your niche, you'll build a loyal and responsive community on X. So, as you've seen, X has brought some exciting updates, but it's also introduced changes that have shifted how we access certain features. One notable change that has sparked discussion is the access to analytics. Before, when it was Twitter, a robust suite of analytics was readily available to all users, completely free of charge. This allowed everyone from individual creators to large brands to easily track the performance of their content and understand their audience. However, in the current landscape of X, accessing the full power of X Analytics requires a subscription to X Premium. While basic engagement metrics for individual posts might still be visible, the comprehensive analytics dashboard, the one that provides in-depth insights into your impressions, engagement rates, follower growth over time, audience demographics, and more, is now exclusively available to premium subscribers. This means that to get a holistic understanding of your performance on the platform and to truly optimize your strategy based on data, a premium subscription is now a prerequisite. While this shift has been a point of contention for some, the enhanced X Analytics offered within the premium subscription does provide a deeper dive into your data. You can often see more detailed breakdowns of engagement, track trends over custom date ranges, and gain a better understanding of when your audience is most active. X has positioned this as a value-added feature for those who are serious about growing their presence and maximizing their impact on the platform. When it comes to truly succeeding on X, these next points are the golden rules. The rules goes like this. First, consistent. Regular posting keeps you top of mind and provides your followers with a reason to stay engaged. Establish a sustainable posting schedule for your brand. This predictability builds trust and keeps your audience informed. Use compelling visuals. Eye-catching images, GIFs, and videos are crucial for grabbing attention in the fast-scrolling X feed. High-quality visuals make your content more shareable and can significantly increase engagement rates. Engage actively, respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in relevant conversations. Show your audience there's a real human behind your brand to build community and foster stronger relationships. Create and utilize lists, organize relevant accounts into targeted lists, and actively interact with their content to build valuable relationships and increase visibility within key networks. Engage with bigger, relevant channels. Thoughtfully interact with posts from influential accounts in your industry to expose your brand to a larger audience and position yourself within relevant conversations. Use relevant hashtags. Strategically incorporate a mix of broad and niche hashtags into your tweets to increase discoverability and reach relevant conversations, connecting with users interested in your topics. Keep your tweets concise and impactful. Get straight to the point with clear headlines and strong calls to action, respecting the character limits. Brevity is key to capturing attention in the fast-paced X environment. Run polls and Q&A sessions. Encourage audience participation and gain valuable insights through interactive content formats, making your followers feel involved and valued. Lastly, stay authentic to your brand voice. Let your brand's unique personality shine through in all your interactions to build trust and deeper connections with your audience. Authenticity fosters genuine engagement. Keep these best practices in mind as you navigate the world of X marketing. By consistently applying them, it significantly increases your chances of success on the platform. There you have it. That wraps up our session on X marketing. You've now gained valuable insights into navigating this dynamic platform and connecting with its diverse user base. Remember, the knowledge and strategies we've discussed today are powerful tools, but their true potential is unlocked through action. So go out there and start implementing these approaches.